Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be trying out few products from some brands which I have never tried before, and I'll be creating this look what you see here. So I have never used these brands before. Like I have few products from Kiko Milano, Ofra. There is one brand which got launched sometime back on Nykaa, and there is one Indian brand as well in today's video, which I'll be trying out for the very first time. And I have come out with this look. So if you are interested to know what all products I'm going to use to create this look and what are these brands, please keep on watching this video. So I've already prepped my face and did my eyebrows. Now let's start with the face makeup. So the very first product which I have to try is from the brand Henna Henna Beauty. It's an Indian brand. It's a women-owned brand. They don't have a lot of products in their product library. They have only limited products. They have their Instagram page as well, known as International Makeup, and this is their own brand, Henna Henna Beauty, HHB. So the product I have to try from them is this one. This is their Dabit Precision Makeup Sponge. So it comes in this kind of packaging. It's a black packaging with this rose gold detailing. The outer packaging looks really pretty, and they have some details mentioned here, like it's 100% latex free, and it says wet me before you use me, squeeze out the excess water, infused with real velvet. I work with both liquid and powders. Don't put me away airtight when I'm still wet. Let me dry and then store me. So these things are written on the packaging, and this is cruelty free as well, which is a very good thing. And they have mentioned the expiry date of this, like it is you can use it for 18 months, but generally there is no expiry date associated with any beauty sponge. So अगर आप उसको अच्छे से maintain करके रखते हैं, if you keep it clean and maintain, you can use it for a really long time. Like easily 2-3 साल तो आप इसको use कर ही सकते हैं, unless ये break हो जाए या कुछ problem हो जाए. So I'm going to use this for my base makeup today. So let me show you how it looks. So this is how this beauty sponge looks like. This shape is little weird, as you can see. I was very skeptical when I was placing an order for this, because I was not sure whether I'll be using this sponge or not. But I wanted to try this sponge because I heard a lot of good reviews about it. So मैंने सोचा कि चलो try करके देख ही लेते हैं. So that's why I bought it, and it looks very unique, right? And yeah, it's a weird shape one. I have never seen a sponge like this in any other brand, at least not in the brands I know. So I'll be using this sponge for my face makeup today. So this one retails for 600 or something, I guess. There is price is not mentioned anywhere on the outer packaging, so I'll mention the price on the screen and in the description box for you. So this is how it looks dry, and it's still soft, not too soft but still soft. Now I'll wet it and show you कि कितना ज़्यादा expand होता है. So let me wet it and come back. Oh my god, it became so huge. Can you see? It became so huge. It expands so well, and it feels very soft, very squishy and soft. Now let's use it. So now the foundation I'm going to use is this one. This is L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. I use this one in the shade 460 Golden Beige. I love this foundation. I have not used this foundation from a long time, so I thought I'll use this one for today's video, because I know it blends well and all. Like, it's a beautiful foundation. It will be good to test this sponge with this foundation. So I'm taking the foundation on back of my hand, just warming up the foundation. Now I'll dot it all over the face. I generally apply with the beauty sponge only, but इसका shape थोड़ा सा weird है, तो I would prefer कि मैं पहले dot कर लूँ सब जगह, and then I'll blend it with the butt of the sponge. Okay, this much is enough for now. If I need more coverage, I'll add more. So I'm using this bottom part of the sponge to blend this. So it blended the foundation very quickly, but it was little difficult to blend the foundation using this bottom part because it is very huge. So थोड़ा सा difficult हो रहा था to blend it, but it is very soft on the face. It soaks up the product, not too much, but still you can see it soaks up little bit of product. Now what I'll do, I'll use this part of the sponge. I'll directly take the foundation on this part and apply it. Yeah, this part is easy to use, and again it blended the foundation really well and very quickly actually. Now let's apply concealer, and for that I'm using these two shades from Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I use the shade medium and light medium. So I blend the concealer on the rest of the face first and then under the eyes. Again I'm using this part of the sponge to blend this. Now I'll use this pointy edge of this sponge to blend the concealer under the eyes because it will fit in this area very easily. I think that's why they have made it like this. So let's first the concealer around my nose, what I've applied using the same part. So you can see it's very easy to reach in these kind of areas because of this pointy edge. Now let's blend the concealer. So can you see it was really easy because of this pointy edge. बहुत easily इस area में concealer blend हो जा रहा है. And don't worry, this doesn't poke you. It looks very edgy but it doesn't poke. It's a very soft sponge. So yeah, it's a good sponge. It blends the foundation and concealer really well. It was little difficult to blend the foundation using this bottom part because of its size. It is little big, but with this part of the sponge it was very easy, and this pointy edge is really helpful to blend the concealer in this area, like very difficult area which is a little difficult to reach, like around the nose and inner corners. It was very easy to blend the concealer especially, and it's very soft, squishy. It doesn't feel very hard on the face, and it does absorb product. Like you can see, it absorbs product, but not too much. Like थोड़ा बहुत तो absorb कोई भी beauty sponge करता है product को, so it also absorbs product. So overall I would say it's a good sponge. Now I'll quickly set the concealer under the eyes. I won't set the whole face because I have some cream product to try. And to set my under eyes, I'm using this powder from ELF. It's their Halo Glow Setting Powder. I recently tried this powder in the video where I created full face of makeup using ELF makeup products. But this powder didn't work well under the eyes that day, so I wanted to try it once more time because मैंने काफ़ी अच्छे reviews सुने हैं इसके, but somehow it didn't work well under the eyes. So let's try it again today. So for now the under eyes looks really nice, very smooth it feels, and it has set the concealer really well, but still I'll wear it for some time and see कि कितना अच्छे से ये concealer set रहता है. Now let's move on to the next brand, which is Max Factor. This brand launched on Nykaa like some time back, few months back actually, and I bought few products from them, but I didn't get a chance to try any of the products. I tried their lipstick, but I didn't get a chance to share any review or anything, so I thought I'll include this brand as well in today's video and I can try a few products. So the very first product I have is this one. This is their cream blush. This is their Miracle Touch Creamy Blush. So this blush retails for 250 rupees, very inexpensive actually for a cream blush. The packaging of this blush is not very good, like it feels very flimsy, like not a good packaging, but 250 rupees में आप कुछ ज़्यादा expect भी नहीं कर सकते. So this is how it looks like. And the shade which I got is 014 Soft Pink. I don't remember how many shades are available. Now let's use this one. So I'm taking it on the sponge directly and I'll apply it. So this is how it looks in one application. It's not highly pigmented, but it has a decent pigmentation and it was easy to blend, and I don't see it has moved my foundation at all. So yeah, this is how it looks. Now let's apply a little bit more just to see whether we can build up the coverage or not. But anyway, like if you want a very natural look, this much is also enough. Oh, I took a lot of product. But I think it's easy to blend, so it will be fine. So yeah, this is how it looks now, and I think it looks very beautiful. It was very easy to build up the color with this blush and बहुत easily blend हो जा रहा है. It's not moving the foundation, so overall it's a really pretty blush, and in 250 rupees I guess it's a really good product. How much so you get 3 grams of product in this, not much, but still for a cream blush it's a good amount. So yeah, it's a pretty blush, and for 250 rupees it's a really good product. It blends so well, the pigmentation is good, it doesn't move the foundation, and it looks so natural on the face. Very easy to blend. I think I would like to try more shades from this. I actually didn't remember that this retails for 250 rupees. I'm very surprised that it works really well. Just that the packaging is not that good, like it's very plasticky and flimsy, but again for 250 rupees it's a really good product. So I just checked on Nykaa. There are 4 shades available in this blush, but none of the shades are available. Everything is out of stock. I'm not sure whether they'll restock it or not, but I would definitely like to try some more shades. I don't know, not many people are talking about this brand. Maybe they didn't promote them well, but it's a really good product. So before moving on to the next product, I'll quickly set my concealer on the rest of the face. So the next product I have is a powder blush from the brand Kiko Milano, which is this one. So this brand is a very famous brand from Europe, but I have never tried anything from this brand. Actually, most of the products from this brand are very expensive, but recently उनके stores में काफ़ी अच्छा offer चल रहा था. They don't have any store in Hyderabad, but one of my friend who live in Mumbai actually went to their store and bought these products and shipped these to me. It was very nice for her to do that for me. So finally I got to try these products from Kiko Milano, and I could actually buy these products on this great offer. I guess there was 30% or 50% offer going on in their stores. So let's try this blush. So this is their Conscious Vegan Matte Blush. It comes in this kind of outer packaging. It's a very basic grey color outer packaging. It's a good packaging actually. You get 3 grams of product in this, which is less I feel. And this is a very expensive product. This one retails for 1000 rupees or something. I can't see the, yes, this one retails for 1090. And yeah, you get 3 grams of product. The inner packaging is really pretty. By the way, the shade which I got is 02 Dream Big. She only chose the shade for me. It's her choice and it's a beautiful color. So this is how this blush looks from inside. Again, a matte grey packaging. It's a very pretty packaging, and all the details are mentioned on the back side. So this is the shade I got, shade 02 Dream Big. So I use this powder blush to set this cream blush. So I'm taking the blush on this brush. I see a little bit of kickback. So yeah, it's a pretty blush. It looks really pretty on the face as well. So it was very easy to apply and blend. I would like to try this alone. Like अभी मैंने इस cream blush पे apply किया ना, तो I would try to use this blush alone and see how it works. but that I'll do in some other video. But for now, I really like this blush. Now I'll quickly contour my face using this Hoola bronzer. I don't have any eyeshadow to try for today's video, so I'll do my eye makeup off camera and come back. So next I have one more product to try from the brand Max Factor. जिसका मैंने blush try किया था, which is this one. This is their liner. So it's their Color Expert Waterproof Eyeliner. So this one is in the shade Deep Black and this retails for 799 rupees, which is expensive. So let's try this. So it comes with this kind of wand, which I actually like. It's like a felt tip. I'll draw a very thin liner. I don't want to draw any thick liner. So let's use this. So this is how this liner looks like. I don't think you can get a very precise application with this. Somehow I couldn't get a very precise application. It is little bald, so yeah, you can't get a precise application, but it was easy to use this liner. So it was easy to apply this liner, but the pigmentation is not very opaque. Like, you see, the pigmentation is not very opaque and it's not a jet black liner, and I couldn't get a precise application somehow with the applicator. It doesn't give a precise application. It looks very precise and thin, but the application is not that precise. So I'm not very much impressed with this liner, at least for now. I might try it for few more times and I can give you a better review, but abhi ke liye to I'm actually not liking this liner. I wanted a very precise application and I couldn't get that application with this liner. Now the next product I have is this highlighter from the brand Ofra. This one is in the collaboration with Nikki Tutorials and the shade I have is Glazed Donut. So it comes in this kind of packaging, outer packaging, and it looks very beautiful. I have never tried anything from Ofra, but I got a few products recently. I actually had their blush as well to try today, this one, but I couldn't try it in today's video because I had to try that Kiko Milano one. So I'll be using this one in some other video. But today, let's use this highlighter. So the price is not mentioned on the outer packaging. I'll mention the price on the screen. And the amount what you get in this highlighter is 10 grams, which is a good amount. And packaging se bhi काफी बड़ा दिख रहा है. Let me show you how it looks from inside. So this is the highlighter. It comes in this matte white packaging. The packaging is really pretty. This is the highlighter. It's a very silverish highlighter, and you get this mirror as well with this. It's like very icy looking highlighter. Can you see? It's a very pretty highlighter, but the shade is very silverish. So I'll apply a very little amount of this highlighter. I actually didn't remember the shade of this highlighter, but anyway, let's use it. So I'm taking it on this highlighter brush. By the way, it is very creamy and very pigmented. So dusting off the excess, and now let's apply it. Ooh, oh my god! I took off little bit of product because it is highly pigmented. Oh my god, it gives a very blinding look. Can you see this? Oh wow. You can clearly see the difference. It is blinding. So this shade actually doesn't look that odd on the face. It actually is going with the makeup look really well. ऐसा बहुत ज़्यादा सिल्वरिश लगता नहीं है फेस पे, as you can see. It provides a very nice blinding glow to the face. I'm totally impressed with this highlighter. It looks so pretty, so beautiful on the face, and it provides a blinding glow. I'm loving it, and the shade is also not looking odd. Like when I saw it in the pan, this silverish shade, I thought it won't go with the look, it will look little odd, but no, it is not looking odd at all. It is actually going very well with the look, and yeah, it is looking so pretty. I applied this on the brow bones as well, and you can see it is going really well with the eye look. I'm loving this highlighter already. I'm totally impressed. Now the next product I have is this liner from Kiko Milano. It's their Lost in a Maffle long lasting lip liner. The outer packaging is really pretty. It comes in this blue glossy packaging. This liner retails for 800 rupees, which is very costly, I know, but I got this one on 50%, so I paid 400 for this. And you get 0.3 gram of product in this, and the shade which I have is 02. I don't see the name anywhere. Yeah, it doesn't mention the name, but the number is 02. So this is how it looks from inside. The packaging is so pretty, and the color is also very nice. It's a very nice nude shade. So I line my lips using this lip liner. This liner is actually very creamy, and the pigmentation is really good. It's highly pigmented, and it has a very nice opaque color, and this shade is so pretty. It's a very nice nude shade, so you can use this with most of your lipstick, I feel. So yeah, I like this liner. So next I got these 4 lipsticks. These 2 are from the brand Max Factor, and these 2 are from Ofra Cosmetics. So I'm a little confused which one to use. Okay, let's use one of the lipsticks from Max Factor. I might share a detailed review and swatches of Ofra Cosmetics in a separate video. Let's use this shade. I think this will go with the eye look. So let's try this shade. I'll swatch this shade at least for you. So this one is the shade Cashmere Nude. Both of these shades are nude shades. So let me swatch this shade for you. So this one is the shade Cashmere Nude. It's a very pretty nude shade. And next shade is this one. This is Rose Couture. Yeah, something like that. It's a rosy shade. So this one is the shade Rose Couture. Let's apply this shade Rose Couture on the lips. I think lip liner is a perfect match for the other one, but yeah, let's use this. So this is how this shade looks on my lips. It's a very pretty nude shade. I think without makeup this shade will wash me out. I think that's what happened when I tried this. It washes me. Actually both of these washes me out as far as I remember. I tried it a long time back. So without makeup I feel it will wash me out, but with the makeup it is a very pretty nude shade. And this is not a highly pigmented lipstick. It's not very opaque. The color is not very opaque. I had to apply like 2-3 layers to get a full coverage on the lips, and the texture is very moussey kind of texture. It's not very liquidy like other liquid lipstick. It has a very moussey texture, and I feel it has dried on the lips, but not feeling dry for now, and not sticky as well. Let's see if it transfers. I think set ho gayi hai. Yeah, I don't see any transfer. Yeah, for now it is looking good. I think I could have used a dark lip liner, तो ज़्यादा better लगता है I feel, but still it is looking good and it is going well with the eye look, since I have too much going on the eyes. It looks nice. This nude lip is looking nice. So as I told you, I tried it a long time back, so I don't remember for how long it lasts. It says 24 hours. I don't remember, at least that it will last for 24 hours, but I'm not sure. I'll update you in the description box about the lasting power of the lipstick. But overall, abhi ke liye to it is looking good and it performs good. So those were all the products I had to try from these different brands. I'll quickly put on mascara, wear lashes and come back. So guys, I'm back. I was feeling that this look was looking little incomplete, so I wore this lip gloss from Petrita on top of the lipstick. And this is the final look. So I liked all the products which I used today. The sponge, blush, highlighter, everything was good. Only product which I didn't like was this liner from Max Factor. It doesn't work well. Okay, my lash is coming out. Okay, let's ignore that. So this liner doesn't work well. It doesn't have a good pigmentation. The application was easy, but still pigmentation is not good. The color is not opaque and it doesn't give a precise application. So I didn't like this liner. Apart from this, everything else was really good, especially the blush. I was really impressed with the cream blush. लग रहा है थोड़ा सा फेड हो गया फेस पे, but still I can see that still there. So I think the blush is really good. For 250 rupees you're getting a very nice cream blush, which is good. The highlighter was really blinding. The sponge was very good, very easy to blend and all. The lipstick is good. The Kiko Milano blush was also really pretty. The liner which I used from Kiko Milano was very creamy, highly pigmented, so that was again a very good product. I have still few products like Ofra lipstick and the blush which I couldn't try in today's video. I'll try those products in some other video. So yeah, I hope you like this video and this look. If you did, please like and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I'll upload a new video. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.